Here is the fastest way to fill your friend queue with the right people. It is called Run Friender, and it lives right inside Facebook. Let me show you. On any Facebook post, group, or profile, open the menu and click Run Friender. Add to Friend Queue. A Friender window pops open. First, pick your source. You can pull friends from a Facebook group, the people who engaged with a post, your suggested friends list, or your friends' friends. Then dial in exactly who you want. Filter by the reaction or comment they left, mutual friends, gender, and country. Add keywords their profile must contain and negative keywords to exclude. You can even auto-send a message when the request goes out or gets accepted, and drop everyone straight to the top of your queue. When you are set, hit Run Friender. It goes to work, scanning profiles and adding the qualified ones to your queue. You watch it live. Profiles viewed on one side, added to the queue on the other. And you can pause or stop anytime. When it finishes, you get a full recap. Profiles viewed, profiles added, and the time and money you just saved by not doing it by hand. That is Run Friender. Point it at the right people, set your filters, and let it build your queue for you. To try it free, head over to start.friender.io.